It's Ivy and it's time for Dollar General's Any Day Deals, and we're going to start off with what we have going on, and that is they brought the spend 15 save 5 on the Purex, Persil, and the Snuggle. So let's start scanning. I love this deal, and I'm so happy they brought it back. I'm very appreciative of it. Okay, let's go with coupons. So this is $9.95 for the Persil. That is the 75 fluid ounce. You have two coupons. You have a manufacturer coupon of $2 off Persil and Purex, okay? And then you have the spend 15 save 5 D&G coupon. So you need to get it up to $15, right? So that coupon, this $2 coupon, goes for Persil and the Purex, okay? It's only going to take the $2 off on one. You have this Purex 4-in-1 85 loads. Scan that. $9.95. There's that coupon, but remember, it's only going to work on one or the other. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to hit that one, but we have a $2 cash back for the Purex, limit of 1. We can grab that still because this is how our deal is going to go. $9.95 times 2, $19.90. Take that $5 off for spending 15. Then you're going to take that $2 off the Persil. Leaves you at $12.90. Then once you cash out, they're going to give you $2 cash back. Leave you at $10.90. Divide that by 2. You're paying $5.45 for this big giant Purex and this giant Persil and this giant Purex, guys. So both of these are fantastic deals. That's an awesome deal. It's a lot of cashbacks you could do, so make sure you check which ones are good for you and your budget. Okay, the next Any Day deal, guys, you're going to grab one Tide, 34 fluid ounces, one Arm & Hammer, 50 fluid ounces, and one small space. This is $3.25. This Tide is $5.50, and this Arm & Hammer is $6. Let's turn them around so we can scan each one. Remember, these are Any Day deals. You want to put your coupons with the highest value deals up, especially if they are Dollar General coupons. You can use those during a weekday, lower your out of pocket. The small space is $3.25. We have a $2.30 coupon. The Tide is $5.50. We have a number of coupons, but the one we're going to look at is the one where you're going to save that dollar D&G coupon, okay? Now, we also have a paper coupon if you were able to get this, and you're going to save $1 manufacturer. So we're going to save $2 off on that Tide. Then we're going to go to the Arm & Hammer. I forgot they scanners in the front. Barcode. $6, and you have a $2 coupon. Now let's do the math on that. Okay, Arm & Hammer is $6. Tide is $5.50. Small space is $3.25. $14.75. Take your $2.30 off your small space. Take your dollar DG coupon off your Tide. Then you take your dollar manufacturer coupon off, and then take your $2 off of your Arm & Hammer. Leave you at $8.45. Divide that by 3, $2.81 each. $281.81. Okay, that's an Any Day deal. Now remember, those also go for your 5 off 25, which we are going to do a deal, one of those also, on Friday. Hey guys, the next deal, you're going to pick up one True Living vinegar at $2.45, a 50-cent coupon. One Finish at $5 is a $2 coupon. One Small Space at $3.25 is a $2.30 coupon, and one Glade at $2.25 is a $1 coupon. Okay, the Glade is $2.25. Take away $1. The Finish is $5. Take away $2. True Living, let's scan that. It's $2.45. You're going to take away 50 cents. Okay. True Living is $2.40. Or no, $2.45. Sorry. Plus the Finish is $5. Small space is $3.25. We knew that. We also know it has a $2.30 coupon. And then the Glade is $2.25. Whoa, I'm sorry guys. I don't know what happened. $2.25 plus $3.25 plus $5 plus $2.45. Not $12.95. Take away that 50-cent True Living coupon. Take away the $2 off of the Finish. Take $2.30 off of the Gain and $1 off of the spray. $7.15. Divide that by 4. $1.78. I think I'd rather pay $1.78 for this than $5. Okay, next deal. Let's pick up 2 axes at $5.75. It's a $5 off coupon. Pick up 2 degrees at $4.50. It's a $4 coupon. Okay. Okay, let's scan the axe. $4.95. $5 coupon. Degree. $4.50, and it's a $4. Let's see, where's my $4 off? 2 $4.50, and it is a $4 off 2 coupon. Okay. The axes, I thought I picked up 2 for $5.75. Let me scan this one, guys, because there are some for $5.75 and low as $5 or $4. Okay, so make sure you have the product. $5.75. I thought so. So the $5.75 is the clear top, not the black one. We're going to go with 2 $5.75s because I will return that. So we're going to say $5.75 times 2 is $11.50 plus $4.50 each. $20.50. Take your 5 off the axe. Take your 4 off the degree. Leave you at $11.50 divided by 4. $2.87. First of all, it's so hard to get deodorant for $2.87, period. Then when you can get some good one, you're doing real good. So these are 2 great deal, guys, for any day deals. Okay, next, guys, you're going to pick up 1 magic eraser, 3 pads, 1 Dawn power wash, and 1 True Living vinegar. Let's scan all of these. Okay. Magic eraser, $3.25. It is a $2 off coupon. Yay. Dawn power wash is $5. Okay, we done froze or something. Okay, it's a $2 coupon on the Dawn. Okay, those are $2.45, and it is a 50-cent coupon. Okay, the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, $3.25. The power wash is $5, and the vinegar is $2.45. $10.70. Take away your 50 cents for the vinegar, $2 for the power wash, and $2 for the Mr. Clean. Leave you at $6.20. Divide that by 3, $2.06 each. First of all, $2.06 for the Dawn. I'm good right there on that one. Okay, that's a great deal if you want to grab something for really this. And then we all know Dawn work fantastic. Okay, last deal. I want you to pick up 1 match eraser at $3.25. It's a $2 coupon. 1 small space at $3.25. It's a $2.30 coupon. I'm sorry, it's a $2 coupon, guys. And then 1 sparkle paper towel 6 count at $7.75 is a $2 coupon. We're going to scan that sparkle. Okay, $7.50, not $7.75, and that's a $2 coupon. So $7.50 plus $3.25 plus $3.25, $14. Take away 2 from the sparkle, 2 from the Mr. Clean, and $2.30 from the small space. Leave you at $7.70. That's cheaper than what this tissue is, this whole deal is. Okay, divide that by 3. You're going to pay $2.56 for each product. Then after you pay for each product, you're going to pay $2.56 for it. So that's a fantastic deal. This entire deal is cheaper than the whole pack of tissue. That's a good deal, guys. I hope you all enjoyed these deals. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share Ivy's coupon campaign. We're going to be a Dunkin' buy 1, get 1 free from Decent. But it's only working on this one for me, the Dunkin' Midnight. So we're going to scan it. I'm going to scan it. Go $6.95, $3 coupon. buy one, get one free, 2 for $12. So you're $6.95 times 2. Take away that $6.95, then take away that $3. Divide that by 2, $1.97 each. $1.97 for 2 of these. So I put 2 of those in my cart right. Burgers is $50, $3.50 or 2 for $6. We're gonna scan it. When we scan it, it's $3.50. You have a $1 off coupon. Hit that, and then there are 2 for $6. So 2 for $5 or $2.50 each. Grab 2 of those. So we're gonna pick up 2 of these for our any day deals also. We are getting some good deals. Then we're gonna get the Jif peanut butter. Can't have jelly without peanut butter. And the Jif peanut butter is $2.85. And let's scan it. And when we scan it, $2.85, it is a $1 coupon. Hit that, claim your coupon, makes it $1.85. So we have our Jif peanut butter also, guys. Great deal.